If you're an entrepreneur, you need to stop watching bullshit YouTube videos. And who am I to say that you should stop doing that? Let me just show you my screen time. So as you can see, I have, oh shit, so you can actually see. As you can see, I have some time on like Notion and WhatsApp, and Notion is like a note taker where I do the scripts for these videos and shit like that. I don't watch anything. Fucking hell. Yeah, anyway, I think that's good enough, right? I fucked it up. Fuck, this video is shit. Anyway, so yeah, and I've gotten results from my clients. You can click on the first link in the description and you will get some testimonials, which you can see about me getting results for clients. So anyway, why do I say that you need to stop watching bullshit videos? We've all been there. We've watched an educational video. We're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna be productive today. I'm gonna watch some really good on YouTube. I'm gonna learn about my business model. I'm gonna get better, bigger in the gym. You watch the YouTube video, and then you click on another one, and then you click on another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. You just keep clicking on shit. You watch one video, and then you click on another one, and you just go down this rabbit hole of watching bullshit videos. Now, when you go onto YouTube, your home feed is just like random bullshit videos that you're not meant to watch. So I want you to have one stream or just a couple of streams of information. Whereas when you're scrolling short form content and you're watching random bullshit videos on YouTube, you're getting like, you're getting this guy's opinion about something. You're getting this guy's opinion on something. And then this dude and this dude and this dude. And they might like be like educational, but they can still go against each other. Like for example, there's like two styles of work. There is like the 4-hour work week style where you're like, oh yeah, only do the necessary task and don't work more than that, and this and that and this and that, right? And then there's another style. There's like the Alex Hormozi style where it's like, oh yeah, work 12 hours a day for 30 days straight, and then you will see the power of working hard or whatever. You can listen to both of those people. It's just like you see how the advice is going against each other. So maybe be careful of that. So that's why I want you to try and have only one stream of information. This will also help you not getting caught in scrolling loops where you just like click on the next video and 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 click on the next video. So yeah, and it will stop your diverging desires. The diverging desires is just like, oh yeah, then you see this dude and he's doing this business model. Then you're like, oh yeah, that business model looks good. That business model looks good. And then you quit your business model to go onto that. And then you're like, oh yeah, this is really good. This is really good. And then you start going into it, and then you're like, oh fuck, I need to do all of this shit. And then you see another, oh yeah, this business model. Yeah, AI music. Let me do AI music. That's really good. That seems really good. Then you do that, and then you figure out, oh yeah, that was shit as well. And it will just stop your diverging desires, because if someone has reached the level of success that you want to achieve within your business model, you can do it as well. You can basically become rich doing anything, right? You can become rich picking up trash. You can become rich like doing YouTube videos. You can become rich doing anything, right? So just pick the path pick a path. What do you think would be the most enjoyable for yourself? What fits your nature the best? Then just stick to that, right? So how do we stop watching bullshit videos? What's an actionable step instead of me just telling you, oh yeah, stop watching bullshit videos? What does that mean? How do you implement it? How do you do that? How do you stop just consuming the videos? How do you stop clicking on the next one, the next one, the next one? This is a more advanced strategy for the people who aren't really that addicted to YouTube, etc., etc. I call this method the audiobook strategy, and if you wanted like in-depth with links and everything like that, and like specific advice like when to use it, when not to use it, you can click on the first link in the description. But I will just go over very quickly what the audiobook method is. So you pick about 1 to 3 mentors of yours on YouTube that you want to consume. Then you download the software called 4K, something like that, 4K YouTube converter to MP3 files, something like that. Basically what it does is it takes the links from the YouTube videos, makes them into an MP3 file, then you upload them to the drive, Google Drive, you download them onto your phone, and then on your phone you upload them onto an audiobook player, and then you can play all of the YouTube videos that you want, not all of the YouTube videos, the 1 to 3 mentors that you have as an audiobook. So now you can listen to it on your phone. This will stimulate you less, so you would be less likely to actually consume the information, because most likely you already know everything you need to do. But if you still need to be up to date with the latest information, this is a very good way of going about it. And yeah, again, I have the in-depth guide with links and everything on my program, first link in the description. It will force you to go from the position that you're in right now to someone who doesn't scroll at all in less than 60 days, guaranteed. So Click on the first link in the description, take some action, and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.